Hey gut feelers, today we're going to talk about leaky gut, and I'm going to help you to find out in just a few moments if you really have this hip and trendy new diagnose of leaky gut. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Peggy, peggyschirmer.com. This channel is called Gut Feelings, here to support you to become your own health expert, to become more independent from people like me watching on YouTube, but also doctors, medications, treatments, so you can take your power back, you can take your health back into your own hands. If this resonates with you, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so you can be part of the weekly live Q&As and also get informed when 2 of the new videos coming out every week. Now, leaky gut. Guys, I could talk hours about leaky gut, because this is so misunderstood. And this time, surprise, it's not misunderstood by my friends, the academic medicine, but by the opposite one, by my tribe, by the naturopaths, by the alternative healing practitioners. If you know me a little bit and you maybe watched the video about my credentials, I actually studied academic medicine. When it comes to emergency medicine, those guys are amazing. They can reanimate you, they can bring you back after a heart attack. But everything else, I would be very cautious. However, when it comes to leaky gut, the university medicine is actually closer to the truth than all the alternative healing practitioners, which is interesting, isn't it? To make this really short, there are 2 things which we mean when we talk about leaky gut. And they're 100% different from each other. Number 1, leaky gut in the traditional medicine sense means that food particle or anything else is traveling through your mesh, through your intestinal mesh of your gut. If this happens, you would not watch this video right now because you would have incredible high fever, incredible pain, and the first thing you want to do is you want to pick up the phone and you want to call the emergency doctor, because this is a life-threatening situation. When food particle actually would travel through your gut lining, you are in danger of a sepsis, where your body is dealing with an immense load of an infection because things are actually directly going into your bloodstream and your body can't handle this alone. Now, having said that, this is a very rare condition. And this can occur, for example, if you have a car accident, or it can be induced by micro-injury to your gut, to your intestines through invasive diagnostic methods. However, guys, deep breath out. This is so rare. It's usually not what we are dealing with if people think they have leaky gut. Now let's look into, make it really short here, what is the real leaky gut, what we're talking about. What that is basically ammonia permeability. Nothing is wrong with your intestinal mesh. Yes, you might have inflammation, but no food particles are traveling into your bloodstream. Again, this is an emergency call. You've got massive symptoms, nothing like bloating, some pain, malabsorption, and brain fog. Now guys, I really take you serious here. Don't think that I'm not thinking that there's something going on with your body. Definitely, I'm really happy you're watching this video right now because you can do something about it. But it's not leaky gut. What it really is that gas, toxic gas, is able to penetrate every cell in your body. It's like a ghost. It can go through your intestinal membrane, can go in your brain, through your liver, through your intestinal organs, and it can cause the massive symptoms that you're struggling with. Now, what's ammonia? Ammonia is a gas, a really toxic gas that is produced by bacteria and is produced when food is putrefying in your gut. You might remember, maybe as a child, maybe in your recent days, you went into a pigsty. You go into a pigsty and there is this stinging smell, like intense stinging smell. This is ammonia. And ammonia inside your body is highly toxic. Now guys, you can do a lot about leaky gut, which you learned right now, very much more likely is ammonia permeability through food, through supplements, through lifestyle change. If you would like me to talk about how you can get rid of leaky gut, ammonia permeability, let me know in the comments below. If I get enough if I get enough resonance, I'm happy to produce another video, because this is such a trendy word right now, lots of confusion around this, and you can definitely do something about it.